Today's video I'll be making a very quick and healthy baby food. So over there I have carrots, dates and rice. Alright, so before we go ahead, you are going to first of all parboil the rice so that it will take out the excess starch in the rice. Alright, just pour in the water, cover it and allow it to boil. And after some minutes, you are going to take out the water, like sieve it out, and then after sieving it out, give the rice a little bit of wash and then pour it back to the pot and cook. After you have washed the rice and placed it on fire, pour in your carrots and then cover it. And then we move over to the dates. Here is the dates. You are going to I soak it in the water so that it can remove the back. I didn't soak it earlier, so for you you can leave it this way, but sometimes I choose to remove the back of the dates, and that is what I am doing right now. And also you remove the seed inside of the dates. Yeah, after you remove it and wash the date, you put it inside the pot. Cover it and allow to cook, and after some time you have to allow the rice to cook to a tender, both the carrot, so that it can blend properly. All right, then I added baby milk to it so that I can blend it. And yeah, give it a quick blend, and yeah, our baby food is ready. This tasted so good, so yummy. My baby enjoyed it. All right, you can put a twist to it. You can, uh you can just do it the way you want. You can add more of anything you want. So I added baby milk more so that it will be very creamy for my baby to eat. All right, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, and check out my other videos. Check out to see more of this baby food, and you will see the one you will love and try for your baby. And I will see you in my next one. Thank you.